How to tie a tie, half Windsor knot. One. Cross the wide end over the narrow one. 2. Wrap the wide end behind the narrow end from right to left. 3. Now wrap the wide end over the narrow end from right to left, crossing through the loop between the tie and the collar of your shirt. 4. Bring the wide end in front and over the narrow end. 5. Wrap the wide end around the narrow part one more time and slip up through the loop between the collar and tie again. 6. Loosely stabilizing the knot, slip the wide end through it. 7. Pull the tie all the way through. Center the dimple. Tighten. Look in the mirror. Great! Unless you are an English soccer player, this is a knot generally worn in a more formal setting. Something that would require a morning suit and a butterfly collar.